Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today in this video, we are going to demonstrate how you can book your Cisco CCNA examination. Many candidates, working professionals as well as beginners, they face a lot of issues while booking their Cisco CCNA examination. So in this video, we will show you all these steps in order to book your CCNA examination. So let's get started.
Do check out this video till end. There is an amazing surprise at the end of this video. So our first step would be to sign up and register for Pearson VUE account so that we can book our CCNA examination. So what we have to do, search here Cisco Pearson VUE. Okay, once you search, there will be a search result. This will be the search result. So click here on the official home.pearsonvue.com/Cisco. Okay, here you will find all the detailed information about the Cisco certifications, the program updates, and couple of other things. So on the right hand side, here you will find an option to schedule, reschedule, or cancel an exam. There are two options: sign in and create an account. If you are a first time user, you don't have an account here on Pearson VUE website, click create an account. If you already have an account, you can directly click on sign in. So here we will show you how you can create your account. So click on create account. This will take you to the next page where you have to agree to the privacy policies. So read out these terms and conditions carefully and click I have read and agree to the above terms and conditions. Click I agree. Now here you will be able to enter all your information. So here you have to enter the personal information. So first option is for new users, please sign up for a web account. If you already have Cisco ID or if you already have your account, you can directly enter your Cisco ID here. If no, then click here, no, I do not know my Cisco ID. Then you have to enter your basic information. Make sure you enter the information exactly as it appears on the identification you will present at the test center. Okay. So here mention the title, your first name. I'll enter my information, your middle name, your last name, and suffix if any. Enter the email address. So use the genuine email address which you will, here on this email you will receive the credentials. Okay, so if you want to receive the marketing email, you can click on the I want to receive Pearson VUE marketing emails. Click next. This will take you to the contact information page. Here you have to fill out your address and other address related information. So click on the address type, whether it's your home address or work address. Then select the country, region. I'll select India. Enter the company name. So if you are working with company, you can mention the company name. If you are not working, you can keep it blank. This field is an optional. This is not mandatory. Enter the address, full address. I'll mention my address. You have to enter your address. If you have a secondary contact information, you can also add secondary contact information, communication preferences, English, and click next. Now here you have to enter the additional information. So if you are working with any organization, enter the employer name. If you work for any Cisco partner or reseller, select the right option. If you're working for a Cisco partner or reseller, mention yes. If you're not working with any such company, mention no. If you are a Cisco employee, if you're working with Cisco, mention yes. If no, then select on no. Okay. And if you are an employee, what is your employee number? If you are in the networking ID, if you're taking any courses from the network Cisco Netcat Academy, you can also mention your networking ID and the username. Click next. Now here you have the kind of confirmation. So thank you, your account is not yet complete. Okay, so you can see your account is not yet complete. Your request to create an account has been forwarded to our account processing team. If you provided a valid email address, you will receive additional information within 1 business day. So that means you have to wait for 1 business day. Once you receive the account email confirmation, after that you can go ahead and book your examination. So once you receive the confirmation, visit the same page again and click on the sign in option. Use your username and password to log in. I will use my username and password and click on sign in button. Once you sign in, here you will have all the options. Okay, you are here in the dashboard section. On the right hand side, you have my account details where you can find my profile, account sign in, additional information, preferences, exam history. So if you have booked any exam previously and attempted any examination, you can find the examination history here. You can view your score reports and your payment receipts as well. So now we will see how you can book your CCNA examination. Click here on the view exams, and here you have to enter the exam name or exam code. So you can enter CCNA 200-301 or just enter 200-301. Here you will find 200-301. This is the examination code for CCNA, or you can just type Cisco Certified Network Associate. Okay, so when you type Cisco Certified Network, Cisco Certified, there will be a couple of other options as well. We are going to see how you can book CCNA examination. Click on CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate, and click on Go. Now this will take you to the next page where you have to select the exam option. So you have two options, at Pearson VUE Test Center or online at my home or office. Okay, so it is up to you. If you want to attempt this examination at a test center, then you have to visit the physical center. This you can select at the later stage, and if you want to attempt the examination at your home or office online, you can select this option. So let's say I want to schedule the examination via online mode. I'll select online, and here you have some recommendations and options. Prepare your exam, your computer, your testing space, your photo ID, what to expect. Okay, read out each and every information carefully. Check out the frequently asked questions and minimum technical requirements. Click on next. Here you have all the terms and conditions. Again, read out these terms and conditions carefully and agree to these terms and conditions. So once you are done with the terms and conditions, click next. And now here you have to select the exam language. So this exam is available in two languages, English and Japanese. I'll select English and click next. Here you have the exam details. So exam code is 200-301, Cisco Certified Network Associate, and the price is $300, language English, and the other information. Click next. Now here you have the additional information which you have to provide. So do you accept the terms and conditions of the Cisco Certified and Confidentiality Agreement? Check out each and every information and click yes. Again, you have the option like what language you want the proctor to speak. Okay, so as you have already selected English, okay, I'll select English here. Now here you have to schedule the exam and find an appointment. Okay, let's say I want to book the examination for 29th of June or July or August. So based on how you are planning to book the examination, select the date. Let's say I want to book my examination on 29th of June. Okay, and timing. Okay, whether you want to display in 12-hour or 24-hour time option. Okay, I'll select 12-hour option. So now you have these availability time slots. Okay, these are the available time slots. Let's say I want to book my examination at 12 p.m. noon. Okay, when I select this time, this will take me to the next step where I'm on the card page. So review and confirm all the information. Okay, here you have all the information. So before making the payment, make sure you check out each and every information. So exam name is Cisco Certified Network Associate, language English, exam duration is 140 minutes. Okay, so in India, because I have created my account selecting India as a country, so in India you get a total time exam length as 140 minutes. Okay, this is the appointment schedule. So on Tuesday 29th of June at 12 p.m. my exam is going to be start. So my check-in timing is 11:30 a.m. so half an hour in advance I have to log in and check in my portal and sharp at 12 p.m. Indian Standard Time, my exam will start. Total price is $300. Okay, and here your information will be there. Check out if your name, phone number, language is selected, is mentioned correctly. Okay, here you have the total estimated amount. So total is $300, and in India GST is added. So in India 18% taxation has been implemented here. So total cost I have to pay is US dollars 354. Okay, click on proceed to checkout. Here you have to agree to all the terms and conditions. Okay, check out this information carefully. Some documentation might be required, so see all the information carefully and accept the terms and conditions. Once you accept terms and conditions, this will take you to the final billing and payment page. In case you have some voucher or in case you have some promo code, you can add that promo code and claim the discount. Okay, here enter your card details, okay, and your billing information, and then click next and make the payment. Once you make the payment, you will receive a confirmation, and then you can appear your examination, attempt the examination on the scheduled date. Hope you like this video. And coming to the surprise, okay, we discussed initially what you can do in order to learn networking fundamentals, in order to learn if you are a beginner and you want to master networking. So you need to go step by step. So first step would be to understand networking fundamentals and then follow official CCNA curriculum. So here is an amazing thing which I'll show you what you can do. You can visit this website www.trainonic.com. okay, on this website you will find a lot of IT related courses. Okay, here you can find lot of courses. Click on the store option, and here you have a option called free courses. Okay, here you have this network fundamental free course, SD-WAN fundamental free course. There are a lot of videos and content available in this free courses, and this is completely free of cost. So networking basics, you have a lot of content, IP addressing, and many other video keeps on adding here. So if you are a beginner, you want to begin a career in networking, okay, you can start with these free courses. Hope you like this video. In case you have some questions, please let us know in the comment section below. You can find a couple of other useful links in the description box as well. Thank you. Have a lovely day.